Welcome to the episode of Locked In. I know it's been a while, but I'm back. New season, new me, broken me. So let me give you guys an update of why I've been a little bit on hiatus. If you haven't been following my Instagram, you've kind of basically had a heads up to all this. I have had some time off from making videos, partially due to this injury, and I know this doesn't look like much. It's because it's basically healed at this point. But I ended up crashing out when I was riding my cross bike on a local trail that I've never done before, and it wasn't definitely super bad. I didn't break a collarbone or do anything like where I needed to get airlifted out or anything like that. But I did end up injuring my wrist pretty bad with a really severe sprain. Luckily, thank God, it was not broken. Ended up fracturing my right rib, having some pretty gnarly road rash on my right side, and it basically put me out of commission to do pretty much anything riding-wise for a few weeks. And while I was doing that, I was acquiring some new product, and I wanted to basically have some time to really thoroughly test some of this new stuff that I've been receiving so you guys can get better quality content for this new season. I want to thank the loyal ones out there that still are watching this video because I know it's probably not going to get a whole lot of views. I have a lot of new reviews coming through with products, bike reviews. I'm hopefully going to actually go bike packing this season, as well as some other interesting videos that I've basically been experimenting with as far as things on my bike, trying things that maybe are a little unconventional, things that are kind of new age to get more information out to you guys that maybe be interested in going 650B. What's a cyclocross bike? Should I get into that? Because I know a lot of my followers are die-hard fixed gear riders, and I know I'm not that guy anymore, and you might be somebody who's looking into getting their first bike, first road bike. What bike should I get if I can only get one bike? Anything like that that you guys want to see this season, please comment below, and even if it's just a bunch of questions, maybe I'll make a questions and answers video. And I want you guys to vote in the poll above if you guys want to see my little mini edits that I try to make with footage that I take with my cameras when I do local trails. These are typically 1 to maybe 2 minutes, set to music, nothing crazy, it's just something to watch. If that's something you guys want to stick just to Instagram, or you think I should also post on YouTube, let me know in the comments below. So thank you all for being supportive for however long this channel's been going on at this point, and I have a bunch of cool new content coming. So stay tuned, and please make sure to subscribe and hit that notification button for all my weekly content, and make sure to follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. I post on there a lot more often than I do on here, since these videos obviously take a lot more time to create than a quick photo that I take or short little video edits. So thanks for watching another episode of Locked In.
Let's get